The video starts with a view of a table displaying stacked cubes with symbols related to accessibility. The cubes are neatly arranged, and the scene transitions between different angles of the display.
The actual computers.
The segment begins by showcasing the iPhone 15 Pro Max on a display stand, highlighting its features. The focus then shifts to a pamphlet explaining the magnifier feature, followed by a brief view of nearby devices, including a laptop.
Alright, so here's the accessibility table.
The camera pans over various accessibility symbols on cubes at an Apple table. The segment ends with a close-up of a sign that explains how a device can read out loud what is typed.
Apple. And, alright, it's over here. Oh.
The next segment shows a set of boxed Apple products on a tray, followed by a view of an iPhone with the message still there on its screen. The camera briefly captures other devices around the table.
Here, not right here. Right here.
This part focuses on an iPhone displaying a text about iPhone vibrations synchronized to music. The scene shifts to a view of another device on the display table.
This way. Find the table. Hello. Hi.
A person is interacting with an iPhone on display, navigating through apps. The focus remains on the phone and the hand gestures used to operate it. Action. Then double tap to activate.
Because I always hear the hype about it.
The user continues to explore the phone's features, tapping through different applications. The segment captures the detailed usage of the phone, emphasizing on the interface and user interaction. Starting now. To stop now. 3-finger single tap. Read item summary. The video introduces an AssistiveTouch feature, explaining how to customize it to interact with your home screen. Instructions are displayed on a screen, providing steps for enabling and using the feature. A series of devices are shown, starting with a close-up of a smartwatch on a charging pad, followed by a display of a smartphone screen and other related gadgets. The focus seems to be on the connectivity and usage of these devices.
Oh, you're very welcome.
The video shifts focus to music haptics, a feature that synchronizes iPhone vibrations with music. Instructions are given on how to set up this feature, and a demonstration of devices is shown. The magnifier feature is introduced, which acts as a digital magnifying glass to detect and describe objects. Instructions on how to use this feature are displayed. A brief segment introduces the live speech feature, allowing users to type messages that the device will speak aloud. Instructions for activating this feature are provided.
This is the phone right here, right?
The video shows a MacBook with a user interacting with it, focusing on the display and user interface. Character palette. The final segment focuses on a MacBook Pro, with a user engaging with the device's keyboard and interface, possibly demonstrating a feature or application on the screen. Search. Performing any voiceover command requires pressing the voiceover modifier keys, along with one